like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper ladybug. So let's get started. First we will take two circles of red color and fold it in half. Now take black color circle and stick this like this way. So let's stick it. Now take this black color circle and stick this here like this way. Now we have to take these two strips and roll it like this way. Now open it. I'm going to stick this here. Same way do with this one also. Now stick this both here. Now we have to stick this eyes. Now we have to stick these circles. So let's stick it. And the bug is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.